Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can book hotels on Agoda website, official website of Agoda. So here, in order to use Agoda, you can access agoda.com and try to sign in with your account. You can sign in with a Google account, so you can link with your Google account. And here we go. There are some features like flight and hotel. This is bundle and save. Home and apartments, flight, first hotel, flights, only flights, new, this is activities, and airport transfer. In order to book hotels, just click hotel. This is by default. This is the first page. Here you can choose a overnight stays or day use stays. Day use stays are inexpensive for up to 12-hour room rentals that are not overnight. And let's say let's start with the overnight stay, and for example let's choose a Saturday to Sunday, and for the room choose one room with 2 adults age 18 or above, or if you if you have children, just put these children age nil or 0 up to 17 here. So after that you can search. Please enter the name of a country, city, airport, neighborhood, landmark, or property to proceed, and enter the destination or property. For example, let's start with the Bali here in Indonesia. And of course you can see the price here. The green one means the cheapest one. So let's change the date, 22 until 23 of February. And next, if you're not sure about the date, see interesting event happening in Bali. So here you can consider to see what interesting on your destination and click search. Just a moment, this app will find the best price. Here we go. So there are some recommendation here, and here you can adjust your budget per night. Let's decrease. This is with rupiah. You can convert with your currency. Let's say let's try the cheapest, about 350 rupiah, and this is the list. And here we go. Let's try randomly Aston here. Aston, then Pasar Hotel and Convention. The free cancellation per night before taxes and fees. You can get here we go. You can get 56% discount. Of course, there are some terms and condition. Here we go. Aston, then Pasar Hotel. This is the address you can see on the map. You can click this link. This is the highlight. Staycation offers available like wellness activities, food, drinks, and so on, blah blah blah. Then in order to book, you can choose this one, the cheapest price you've seen. So in order to book this hotel, this one, you can click book now, and here we go. You can choose your payment option, or you can choose pay now. You can also choose to pay now with a credit card or other payment method below. And here we go. There is a special request. You can select your preferences, and next, the final step, you have to pay this. You will not be charged yet, but yeah, this is the final instruction. So feel free to try to book your favorite hotels in your destination with Agoda. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.